Introduction: Unlocking Financial Abundance with Neville Goddard. Welcome to the Neville Goddard son of Abdullah channel, Manifestors. Today, we're delving deep into Neville Goddard's law of abundance, unveiling the secrets that attract wealth and prosperity. Prepare for life-changing insights on mastering the art of financial manifestation. Assume the feeling of wealth. Neville's first principle is simple yet profound: assume the feeling of wealth. Engage in the technique of living in the end, immersing yourself in the emotions as if financial abundance is already a reality. It's not mere wishful thinking, it's a magnetic pull that aligns your consciousness with prosperity. Visualization mastery. Visualization is a potent tool in Neville's arsenal. Dive into the technique of visualizing your financial desires with precision. Craft mental scenes that imply your financial success, allowing your subconscious mind to amplify the power of your intentions. The power of affirmations. Speak life into your finances through affirmations. Explore Neville's affirmations tailored to resonate with your wealth goals. Learn to create personalized, powerful affirmations that align with your specific financial dreams. Revision for financial success. Rewind, revise, and reshape your financial past. Neville's revision technique empowers you to rewrite your money story, clearing any obstacles obstructing your financial path and paving the way for abundance. Immerse in gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude for current and future abundance. Neville teaches us that gratitude is a powerful magnet for prosperity. Learn the art of being thankful for the wealth already on its way, creating a receptive environment for more to come. The art of scripting. Script your financial destiny with Neville's technique. Write a detailed narrative of your financial success, making your dreams tangible in your mind. The act of scripting serves as a powerful manifestation tool, bringing your desires to life. Inner conversations mastery. Unravel the impact of your inner conversations on your financial reality. Neville's insights guide you to align your thoughts with the wealth you desire, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a positive and affirming inner dialogue. Creating the bridge of incidents. Understand Neville's concept of a bridge of incidents. Discover how seemingly unrelated events conspire to bring you closer to your financial goals. Recognize the signs on your path to abundance and trust the unfolding journey. Applying faith and belief. Cultivate unwavering faith and belief in your financial manifestation. Neville emphasizes the power of belief in the creative process. Learn to trust the invisible forces at work and nurture a sense of certainty in your financial success. Aligning action with intention. Neville's teachings on taking inspired action are crucial. Discover how aligning your actions with your financial intentions propels you forward on the path to abundance. Action becomes a bridge between your desires and their manifestation. Detach and let go. Master the art of detachment in your financial manifestation journey. Neville teaches us that letting go is a vital part of the process. Release resistance, surrender to the flow, and allow the universe to work its magic. Affirming financial security. Dive into Neville's techniques for affirming financial security. Learn to embody the feeling of financial stability, attracting a wealth of opportunities. Affirmations become a powerful tool in shaping your financial mindset. Specific money techniques. Explore Neville's specific techniques for attracting money. Engage in mental conversations with your bank, imagine checks received, and more. Neville provides a toolkit of practical methods to welcome financial abundance into your life. Recap and your financial journey ahead. Congratulations on delving into Neville's law of abundance. Reflect on the techniques shared, choose those that resonate with you, and embark on your transformative journey to financial prosperity. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think this would help. Push your positive manifestations today.